Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use Perplexity AI. So there's a bunch of things here. You can set sources for search. There's choose a model. You can attach files. You can summarize files. You can learn about stuff. There's one about health. You can compare, and one topic about parenting. There's also this. It's a deep research on any topic. You do need to upgrade to pro, but you have 3 questions for free. There's also labs, but again, it's for subscribers only. Here you can ask anything. Here you can select the topic that they give. But for instance, you want to ask AI about something else. I'm just going to type in like 10 ways. To leave a narcissistic guy. I misspelled narcissistic. I thought it was like this, no? And then I'm just going to press enter here, and it's going to give me an answer. There's therapy center, better health. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. You can also use this for math, any academic things you might need. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.